Hey BPA folks, I am giving you a link to the member login. Your username is your 8-digit member ID. Those of you who are returning, they are different this year. Just like, I mean, they're different every year, but like this is just an 8-digit number to remember. And so I will give you what they look like. And so they're like this. These are little membership cards that I'll have printed out for you if you want one. I've got them printed already actually, so there's your member ID. You'd put that in there, and then everyone's password is 123 BPA. All right, and so that's all it is. And I've put in your member ID and your password. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this, and you can see, like, if you click on learn more about BPA competitions, it'll take you to, we're looking for this WASOP download center, all right, and it will give you, you can find information about each of these here, and so let's say that my, contest, one of them is advanced interview, okay, so I would click on that, and then I'm just going to download it, all right, and I will, I can help you with this if you get stuck on it, but this is just a quick tutorial so that way you know what you're looking at, what they're looking for, and so if anything needs to be pre-submitted. So that's it for this video.